Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about various mini cars in the following trucks. Now check, clean with me. Và bóng ổ làយើងធ្វើការ check the first truck. But before we check, we have to put some water. Green supercar, green supercar, green sport car, green racing car, a very nice sport car, a very nice supercar. Let's check the next one. Vàอันนี้คือhelicopter. Helicopter, everybody, a very nice, a very interesting helicopter. Helicopter. Let's check the next one. 4 wheels motorbike. 4 wheels motorbike. បាទម៉ូតូកង់4បងប្អូនបាទនេះហៅម៉ូតូកង់4 Check the next one. Green car, green police car, a very nice green police car. Police car, everybody. Now check the next one. Let's move to the next truck. Okay. The next truck. ឥឡូវយើងឆែកបាឡានធំទី2បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំបាទ yellow color បាទម៉ូតូធំ yellow color very nice motorbike បាទ airplane បាទ very nice airplane a mini airplane a cute airplane Number 22. Number 22, everybody. Let's move to the next one. Red supercar. Everybody. This is a red supercar Pro 3. Red supercar Pro 3. Let's check the next one. នេះគឺជាប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំពណ៌លឿងបាទ Number 40 បាទលេខ40បាទម៉ូតូធំពណ៌លឿងបាទលេខ40 Let's check the next one បាទ police car everybody this is a police car a very nice police car Let's check another interesting mini car បាទនេះប្រភេទ bus អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទ bus mini bus cute bus check the next one បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនជាចូលចិត្តនៅវីដេអូមួយនេះសូមជួយចុច like ជួយចុច comment ជាពិសេសបងប្អូនដែលមិនទាន់បានជួយចុច subscribe បាទសូមជួយចុច subscribe នេះមួយSupercar អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Nice supercar Now check the last one A mini police car everybody a mini police car Everyone if you like my video please let me know by comment like and especially click a subscribe button to show your feeling to my video So now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time.